a very good morning to all. Today we will solve the next exercise, and this exercise is based on the simplification. So how can we find out the simplification and how can we solve this type of question? So we will follow this pattern. V word mass. So we will apply any simplification to solve this pattern. So this is the vernacular sign. So vernacular sign is like this. B means bracket. So bracket have three types: big bracket, curly braces or small bracket. So first we will solve this small bracket first, then after we will solve this second bracket, then after we will lastly solve this big bracket, and we will comes to and go through this form, means inside to outside. Then after O means of, D for division, M for multiply, A for addition, and lastly we will solve the subtraction. So now we will take some value and solve the question. So the first question is 21 minus 12 divided by 3 multiplied by 2. So we will follow this pattern. So first we will check any vernacular sign. So no one is a vernacular sign, so we will left. Then after we will check the bracket, B for bracket, so any bracket is there, so no one is bracket is there, so we will also left this side. And then after O for of, so O is not present. Then after this is the D for division. So first we will solve the division value. So first we will solve this part. So we will write the 21, then after 3 4 ja 12, then after multiply and 2. Again we will check this word mass rule. So here this is the multiply sign. So where is the multiply? So here is the multiply. So first we will solve this multiply value. So 21 minus 4 2 ja 8, and lastly we will solve this minus. So 21 minus 8, so 13 is the answer. Then we will take another question. So the another question value is 14 minus big bracket 12 minus curly braces 9 minus small bracket 7 minus 6 minus 2, and this is the vernacular sign. So first we will check this property. So V for vernacular, so this is the vernacular sign. So first we will solve this vernacular value. So first we will write this 7 minus 6 minus 2, so 4. Then after we will write all these value as a like it. Then after we will solve this small bracket. So 7 minus 4, so 7 minus 4 equal to 3. Then after this value comes from the bracket, so this is the minus sign, so minus value. Then after curly braces, big bracket, minus 12 minus 14. Then after we will solve this curly braces value. So 9 minus 3 6, and this value comes out from this bracket, so minus. So here we will write the minus. So 12, then big bracket, minus 14. So 12 minus 6 equal to minus 6, then after 14, so 14 minus 6 equal to 8. So this is the answer. So I hope this video will help you to solve any type of simplification question. So thanks for watching this video.